Hey, it's Elizabeth around the Kitchen Vixen, and it's so early I don't want to wake my neighbors, even though I live in a pretty soundproof building. But I am up super early to go to work, and I'm not going to the gym. But I was telling somebody how they can squeeze in a workout even when time is so minimal. I'm making chicken with barbecue sauce. I've got some chicken tenders. Oh, I forgot to write on my chalkboard. An onion left. I'm gonna take the skin off and just chop this baby up. All right, so let's get that in the skillet. And then while that browns for a second, first I'm gonna wash my knife. I'm always really cautious because I have these cats that I try to keep away while I'm cooking, but sometimes they've got minds of their own. Axel, shh, come on now, I'm filming. You're not being very good for the camera. Okay, so this is not my favorite exercise. Apparently it's not many people's favorite exercise, but I'm going to attempt to do 30 burpees, 3 sets of 10, only because I read about it on a Runner's World website. And I used to work at Rodale. They publish Men's Health and Runner's World. And it's because of all the people that worked at Runner's World who used to see me lifting all the time. What a shocker. They're like, you should run. And I hated running. But then once I started working there, like less than a year later, I ran a marathon because they helped me train. It was awesome. So thank you to the people at Runner's World for getting me into running and helping me discover that I could do it because I never thought I could. Okay, so let's see, burpees. All right, ready? And down. 1. I have small space. 2. 3. It's kind of fun, actually. 4. Oh. 5. Definitely washing my hands after this. Touching the floor. 6. 7. That was count. 8. I'm the worst at this counting. 9. Yeah. Let's do one for good luck. Okay. There we go. Whew. Okay. Now before I touch any food, I gotta wash my hands. Don't forget to sing. Sorry, I gotta wear my glasses because I can't see. I got my contacts in. Happy birthday to you. See, my heart rate goes up. So I'm gonna do half the pack right now. Happy birthday. This is where it really counts. To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, now we got a good. Axel, we're filming. You can't go in the cabinets right now. So I'm not a cook who like flips things around by flipping the skillet. Plus my skillet's super heavy. My Le Creuset. I wrote to the company. I'm hoping they'll send someone over to teach me how to say that properly. Throw the cauliflower in there to heat up. It's a lot. I have a super long day. Just kind of need some carbs. I'm gonna take some lentils and wild rice in here. Okay. So we've got a really big skillet full of stuff. Let me show you. There we go. See all that food? That's my food for the day, plus my smoothies. That's how I keep my muscles. I know, I'm such a meathead. I can't help it. But I'm not. I just like to work out because it gives me energy. Those burpees were fun. So let's do another set. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 for good luck. Oh, I just remembered. Scary feet. Let's go. Make a smoothie. Fudge. Really gets my heart rate up. Okay, we got this. All right, 2 cups leafy greens. I got spinach. We'll throw in some molasses. Fraser, go away. Come on, he's a punk. All right, and then tablespoon nutritional yeast. So 1 tablespoon provides like 300% of most of your B vitamins, except B12 is, back up, where is it? B12 is 250%. Wow, okay. Did I read that right? Yeah, okay, really high. All right, so I got molasses, nutritional yeast. So I have some strawberries I cut up and ate some yesterday for snack, and then throw the rest in here. So they're all washed and whatever, the greens removed and stuff. Okay, my typical nuts and seeds combo. Now I just try to keep them all in one jar so I can just throw in a tablespoon or 2. Okay, so there's my sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, which are the most nutritious of the nuts and seeds group, except for Brazil nuts, which are high in selenium, which most people know about now because of Dr. Oz. Thank you. Well, need that. Want my soy milk. Excuse me, Fraser, please. You're gonna hate it when I turn the blender on. Okay. Before I do that, I'm just gonna add my barbecue sauce to my chicken. Okay. Thanks, Fraser. Homemade barbecue sauce. It's made from ketchup and onions and garlic, mustard, some vinegar, and what else? Oh, apples. I always put fruit in to give it some sweetness. Sorry. Okay. All right. I'm almost about to wrap this up because I know it's going to be a super long video. And I gotta go. Before I turn on my blender, you don't need to hear that. I'm just gonna do my last set of burpees. Then I gotta get ready to go to work. Okay, ready? Chandler, are you gonna help? Ready? Here we go. And 1. Woo. Sorry. 2. And 3. Ooh. 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1 for good luck. I did 33, my age. I'm just kidding, I'm 50. All right, bye, I'll be back. So a dietitian walks into a bar. A dietitian walks into a health food establishment and asks for protein. 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 Forgot my protein powder. Okay, that I needed to show you. 2 scoops. It's 50 grams of protein. That's all my protein. Chicken, that, lentils, and wild rice. Those are my main bleh, and nuts and seeds. Those are my main protein sources. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to go to work, and I just want to let you know I have, 3 bottles of water. I have coffee, my smoothie, and then I have extra in a jar. I have my chicken with lentils, wild rice, and roasted cauliflower in 1 container. And this one I'm going to wrap in foil to try and keep warm, but I'll eat this one probably as soon as I get to work after I make my long commute. And then the other serving I have in a thermos so that it stays warm because I don't microwave. It changes the energy of food. That's my belief. Well, based on some research I found. Prefer to slow cook and not reheat items. And so when I'm ready to eat, my food is ready to be eaten. Excuse me, Axel. Don't forget your silverware. All right, I gotta go. I'll go to work. Like a dietitian, I teach people about nutrition. Some people want to diet, others they just don't want to try it. It's early. I gotta go to work.